Chris from Celina, and today we're going to be talking about fast shades. The frames used by fast shades telescope when they open up, making it much smaller when you pack it down and easier to transport from place to place. With the ability to print backdrops, sidewalls, and rail skirts, the possibilities with your fast shade are endless. Each of the legs is independently adjustable. You press the thumb button where the legs connect together and either lift or lower the leg to the height you want. As Celina's most popular custom printed tent, fast shades can be printed with your branding, logo, or design. Order one today.